Hi! In front of me is REALME GT2, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this REALME smartphone. Firstly, just go into settings and scroll all the way down right away. Then tap on additional settings. Now select keyboard and input method. Tap on manage keyboards and keyboard. From here you need to select theme section, scroll all the way down and tap on show more at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. When you're ready, just click on the best one for you. Manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it by going into exactly the same settings, swiping up and tapping on this plus icon under my themes. Now tap on the photo that you wish to apply. If you can't find it over here, select one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to select one of those sources, like downloads. Finally, after tapping on your photo, you can adjust it. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap on Done. Lastly, manage keyboarders thanks to this switcher and hit apply. In order to delete one of your keyboards, click on the chosen one. Tap on this bin icon next to keyboarders and confirm your choice in the pop-up. If you want to edit one of your custom themes, just click on it. Tap on this pen icon between keyboarders and the bin one. Make your changes and hit apply again. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!